Hello everyone, today we are excited to announce our own open source turn detection model available for 20 languages. And today I'm going to compare it with a voice activity detection, and then we are going to introduce VideoSDK NAMO V1, which is our new model. Alright, so first up, I'm making use of voice activity detection, and then I'll introduce NAMO. Okay, so let's start the conversation. What I'm gonna do, I'll ask a question where I'm taking a pause, and let's see whether it is detecting or not. Alright, let's start the conversation. Hi, can you tell me horoscope for
Sure. Please provide your zodiac sign. Could you please provide your zodiac sign?
you
No
see
problem. Just let me know your zodiac sign whenever you're ready.
it is not waiting for me to end the conversation. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll make use of Namo, and let's see the difference. Hey, can you tell me horoscope for Gemini?
For Gemini, communication will be important today. Make sure to express yourself clearly.
You can see the difference, right? I took a pause and it is detecting the end of the conversation. So you can start with Video SDK Namo model right now. It is available in our latest version.